Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get unbanned from any game in Roblox. The solution is a bit tricky, but this might work for you if you were banned without any reason. Firstly, what you have to do is just simply scroll down till the very bottom of your page. In the article section, just simply search for an article called Appeal. So this is the article that we're looking for. Appeal for your account moderation. Choose this option, first one. Now over here you will find the option of support for here, click on it. Now over here your username should be filled automatically. Enter your first name, then enter your email address and confirm that email address. After that, click on this option, choose PC or Mac or iPhone, whatever device you may have. It really doesn't matter. Now in the category, choose moderation. Now in the subcategory, simply choose Appeal account over here. Now write exactly that I'm writing. So you can just simply pause the video and copy this. So over here you have to change two things. Firstly, in this dash you have to enter the name of the game. For example, if you're banned from Brooklyn, add the name of Brooklyn right over here. And also add from how many years you have been playing Roblox, and make sure to be truthful because they have all the data. Just simply add how many years you have been playing Roblox for and name of the game right over here. And after that, just simply click on submit. Within few hours or a single day, Roblox support team should contact you on your email, and then they will help you to get back you to that particular game. That's it. And thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.